Still using laminated floor plans and markers to manage your waitlist? Still managing reservations via a calendar, or worse yet, on paper? Or maybe you are paying $1,000 a month to OpenTable, Yelp, or Resi. Maximize your table turnover with a smarter waitlist and reservation system. Electronically manage waitlist and reservations beautifully, simply, and accurately. 10 times better, 10 times easier, at a fraction of the cost. Make the switch by downloading the app and go live in just a few minutes. One app, 2 robust solutions, waitlist and reservations. As a waitlist app, SmartWAIT provides superhuman powers, allowing your staff to lay down the red carpet for your customers, bumping them ahead of the line, or letting them know you're aware of their peanut allergy and will let the chef know. Therefore, allowing you to provide a service level that is priceless. Customers can easily join the waitlist themselves and check their place in line and free up your employees to do more important stuff. With integration to smart menus, customers can browse through a beautiful menu with pictures and daily specials before being seated. Faster table turns means more money per hour. Complete the guest experience with integration to SmartX, Milagro's customer experience app. These integrations will convert your restaurant into an automated marketing machine. Did you hear that? Yep, that is the sound of making money, and lots of it. SmartWAIT takes reservations to a whole new level. Enable your customers to make reservations online whenever they want, and free your employees' time to focus on larger groups. Milagro's SmartWAIT Reservations has redefined group reservations, making it easier for your customers to easily share reservations with friends and family while keeping you in the loop, so you know how many people to expect and not lose money on reserved empty seats. See? Told ya! 10 times better, half the cost. Switching from OpenTable, Yelp, or Resi is easy and seamless. Download the Milagro SmartWAIT app using your existing iPad. Set up your table layout, add your servers, and add reservations to your website and social media. Make the single most important investment in your restaurant business by switching to Milagro's restaurant operating system. Check out our website to learn more and supercharge your sales using Milagro.